Welcome, my name is Petra. I am the Nordic Career and Confidence Coach, and I am the founder of the Career Calling Clarifier system. Today's topic is interesting because if we don't go through these, it will slow us down in achieving our goals. It will maybe even block us from moving forward or even getting to the point of exploring our flow. And that is the first thing I do with my clients. I look at these specifics. So what am I talking about? Well, today what we will be talking about is the things you are willing to let go of. So what do I mean by things I'm willing to let go of? Well, many times we carry with us these limiting beliefs, these stories, these fears, these to-dos that we never get around to doing. And they slow us down. They take valuable energy from us, from moving forward into things that we really want to be moving forward in. And today what I want to do is want to shed some light on these, take them out of our heads, write them down on paper, and help yourself, empower yourself on your journey to achieving your dreams and your goals. So the first question I want you to write down is, what am I willing to let go of in old beliefs and stories that I'm telling myself? So what do I mean by that? Well, we carry with us these kind of stories or plain right lies about ourselves. You know, things like, I can't do it because I'm too old. I can't do it because I don't have the resources. I don't have the time. I can't do it because I'm not educated enough. Now, we don't choose these beliefs, these stories. Many times they are coded into us from childhood onwards. And if we don't question them, if we don't shed awareness on them, they will be there in the background, hindering us from moving forward. And where do these blockages come from? They come from our society, our cultural norms, our religious beliefs and norms, our family values, peers, and the schooling system. But today you're here to shed light into them and be more aware of them, and therefore not let them hinder you on your journey. Ask yourself, what is limiting me? What is holding on to these beliefs, these stories, these lies, costing me? And what do I rather believe? Then the second question I want to ask yourself is, what am I willing to let go of in old projects, old goals? So what am I talking about? I'm of course talking about those shoulds that we tell ourselves. I should be doing this, and then we have lists of things we think we should be doing, and somehow we just never get round to doing them, because the truth is maybe you don't even want to do them, and that is the reason. It's not that you're lazy, it is just the fact that you actually do not want to be doing them. And maybe they are even things that other people have expectation of you to get done. And then I want you to write down what it is that you want to let go of in those goals, in those old projects that you have on your to-do list. Just cross them out from your list. And then I want you to ask yourself why it is you do not want to do them, because that will clarify to you why it's okay to let them go. Because these things, otherwise, they're space takers, energy takers in our heads. You know, we could be focusing on the things that are important to you. And instead, we have these things at the back of our heads. Oh, I should be doing this as well. Whereas they just are not necessary. You don't really want to do them. So let them go. So well done for writing all these things down. We're nearly at the end. So the last question number 3 is, look at your lists, what you have written down, the things you want to change, people you want to forgive, and the projects you want to let go of, and the beliefs that you want to let go of. What is the most important thing for you to let go of? And the reason I ask you to just take 1 or 2 is so that you're not overwhelmed with all the things that you feel you should be doing. Because once you focus on one thing, and then you achieve it, it gives you the kind of momentum to then move on to the next thing. And then I want you to write down, why is it that you want to let go of this one? Because this is again the power behind you being able to achieve this goal. So thank you so much for doing these exercises. Well done for writing all these things down. Now, in the last vlog of the Decade in Review check-in, what we'll be looking at is the future. And we'll be looking at what it is that you really want to be doing. And we'll have a sort of a time machine exercise, which we'll be looking at as well. So thank you so much for tuning in to this vlog, and I look forward to seeing you at the